Hello everyone and welcome to Garden to Kitchen. It's starting to rain out here, so we better be quick. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to be talking about making a greenhouse, a small greenhouse to protect those beautiful red and green peppers that you have in your garden. You'll notice that they get a bit top heavy, so it's important to put a cage. But to start off, I thought I'd try a greenhouse, and that's using a Glad bag. Yeah, a Glad bag. I have a white garbage bag here, and I'm going to show you how I put this on the rack, on this support for the green peppers, and we'll show you how I put this together. So first of all, I'm going to open up the bag, then I'm going to pop it over the spikes on the bag, and it looks to be about center. And I'm just going to pull it through. See that? Pretty neat, eh? So as you can see, my little greenhouse is starting to come together. I'm going to use, and all you need is a stapler and a pair of scissors, and you can do this too. And you can do it for other plants as well too, if you find that it's a bit too windy, or perhaps it's a bit cold and you want to give them some protection. So this is a great idea. So look at that, cut a hole in it, and we're off and running. Now, the next part I've found is to secure the top versus the bottom. So I'm going to pull this up like that, and of course I've got my stapler here. There's a staple that's holding that part. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to find the other part here on the other side. And of course you can put more than one staple if you wish. And we're going to rip this off anyway once the plant gets going. So there we go, a couple staples. And then we have the top part here. These are the parts where you usually tie the bag and secure it. So yeah, we got our final one right here. So this is going to be secured like this. That was pretty fast. That's a greenhouse. So we come around to the bottom part. And of course, all we're going to do is just tuck that in a bit, and we're going to go around with a stapler, and we're going to secure this. I'm going to use some of that material, just wrap it around. That looks pretty good. It's called a Glad greenhouse, named after the Glad bags. So here you have it. There we go, one more. Oh, we got one loose one. Watch your eyes when you're doing this, because these things are just flying around. And all I'm going to do is just take some of the material. There, that should do it. So here we have a tower. Look at that. That's pretty neat, isn't it? So we're going to have a tower, and we're going to push this down into our green peppers, and hopefully it'll prevent the wind from blowing them over and give them a little bit of security and perhaps a little bit of extra warmth, because they are a zone 9 to 11. They like hot weather. So we're going to try this out on some of them, not all of them, and see how we make out. I've got some California Wonders, which are the traditional blocky peppers, and I have some Super Shepherds, which are the elongated, the big long ones that turn nice and red, and they're kind of neat too, so I've grown them before. So thanks for watching. Hang on, I'll show you a few photographs of what they look like in the garden. Once again, thanks for watching, and here comes the rain. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.